In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you a couple ways to make basic measurements on 3D models in OnShape. OnShape is a browser-based CAD software that's free to engineering students at Ohio State. First, log in using your name.number. For the first segmentation lab, you will have an STL model that you created in ITK Snap. Upload the STL file into OnShape by selecting the Create button, Import File, then browse to the location where you downloaded the STL file. The default choices are generally okay. In this upload, I selected Join Adjacent Surfaces. Select Import. Waiting for the import could take a few minutes, but select the file after you've gotten a message that says it was imported successfully. In OnShape, you can use your mouse to adjust the view of the object. You can rotate the object by holding down the right mouse button and by moving the mouse around. You can zoom in and out by using the mouse wheel. To make a measurement between points, OnShape does this automatically. Select 2 points on the model. Click the Measure button at the bottom of the screen for more details, but you can see the dimensions of it automatically uploaded in the bottom right corner. When you are ready to make another measurement, you'll need to clear your selection. To do this, right-click and select Clear Selection. Then you can select another pair of points to measure between. If you intend to measure a dimension, I recommend that you do this multiple times and use the average of your measured values. Another thing that might be helpful is when you upload multiple parts at a time. You could create measurements in place when those parts are together. It might also be helpful to move the parts away from each other so that you can get a better view of those parts. To do this, select the Transform button. And then I generally like to select the Move along the XYZ. Then I can slide the parts away from each other in either the X, Y, or Z directions. You can also type in the distances that you would like to move the objects away. OnShape can also do other measurement types. For instance, you can measure the angle between 2 lines. For this, I'm going to create a new plane that is in line with the features of the proximal femur. I'll select the plane button, choose 3 points, and create the plane. This creates a space for me to sketch lines. To add lines, select the line button and draw on the plane that you have created. To measure the angle between the lines, select the angle in the drop-down menu of the Measure button that is in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Select the 2 lines. The Measure panel will tell you the angle between those 2 lines. For the mini projects in BME 2800, it will be up to you to decide which measurements are necessary and how to make them. These basic tools can be used in a variety of ways to get useful information. Good luck with your projects!